Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings because VoiceOver changes how taps behave. That makes navigation different. Once in settings, go to Accessibility. Use a double tap to activate items if VoiceOver is on. Make sure you listen for spoken labels so you know where you are. If you have Siri enabled, you can also say Open Settings to avoid complex gestures. This step gets you to the control center of accessibility options and prepares you to switch VoiceOver off safely. Now you're inside VoiceOver settings and ready to turn it off. Select VoiceOver and double-tap the VoiceOver switch. You'll hear feedback as it changes state. Once it's off, gestures return to normal, so make sure to test a single tap. If you configured accessibility shortcut, you can use the triple-click side or home button instead. This is faster. Be patient and listen for the confirmation phrase. That audio cue is how you know the change succeeded. Finish by testing basic gestures. Tap an app once to select, then open with a single tap. If there's no speech, VoiceOver is off. If it doesn't turn off, restart the iPad to clear temporary issues and then repeat the toggle. Restarting often resolves stuck accessibility services. Finally, you can ask Siri, turn off VoiceOver as a quick fallback. Make sure Siri is active. If problems persist, check for iOS updates because system bugs can affect accessibility features.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.